everybody. Got my first sponsorship, HORNBLASTERS. Thank y'all so much. I got the tank about 3 weeks ago. Well, the whole setup actually. Sent it out and got it powder coated. Here it is. We put it all together yesterday, and we're about to install this. This is a spare tank delete, or a spare tire delete, my fault. So we're gonna go ahead and get it installed and let you know how it turns out.
Yeah.